In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification for your Yahoo Mail account. Let's get started right away, as this process is essential for bolstering the security of your online communications. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have added an extra layer of protection to your Yahoo accounts, safeguarding your personal information and deterring any unauthorized access. First, let's go ahead and sign in to your Yahoo Mail account using a web browser of your choice. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon typically represented by your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and among the options, you need to select the one labeled Account Info. This will take you to a new page dedicated to your account details and settings. Within the Account Info page, look for the section titled Account Security. It might take a moment to locate, but it's generally straightforward. Entering this section, you'll see various security options available for your account. Our focus today is on the two-step verification settings, so continue scrolling until you find this specific option. Now you'll notice a toggle switch next to two-step verification. At this point, it's likely turned off, so go ahead and toggle the switch to turn it on. This action will prompt Yahoo to ask you to provide a mobile phone number. This step is crucial because the two-step verification process relies on sending a unique code to your registered phone number each time there's a sign-in attempt, adding that extra shield of security. Ensure that you carefully input your current mobile phone number into the space provided. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Send SMS button. This action will send a verification code from Yahoo to your phone as a text message. Keep an eye on your messages. This should only take a moment. After you receive the SMS, enter the verification code into the designated field in your browser window. Double-check the numbers to avoid any errors, as this is a pivotal step in confirming your identity. Once you've entered the code accurately, confirm by saving your settings, which tells Yahoo that everything is in order. And that's it. You've just enabled two-step verification on your Yahoo Mail account, significantly enhancing your account security. This extra step every time you log in ensures that even if someone were to get hold of your password, they still wouldn't be able to access your account without the unique code sent to your phone. It's a simple yet powerful way to secure your personal information and maintain your privacy. Remember, keeping your account safe is an ongoing process, so stay vigilant and review your security settings regularly. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you feel more secure